just weeks to go for the Delhi Assembly elections. It is raining sops when it comes to the Aam Aadmi Party. Two of the schemes that have been announced most recently by the ruling party in Delhi are the ones that particularly target the women and the elderly. First one is the Mukhyamantri Mahila Samman Yojana scheme to provide 1,000 rupees per month to all women aged above 18. The Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind Kejriwal recently also announced that the amount would be raised to 2,100 if the party returns to power in the assembly elections. The other scheme is the Sanjeevani Yojana, which will provide free treatment to people above the age of 60. And today, when it comes to the process of the registration for both of these schemes, will begin.
हमारे 60 साल के ऊपर के जितने बुजुर्ग हैं उन सभी बुजुर्गों का मुफ्त इलाज, चाहे प्राइवेट हो चाहे सरकारी अस्पताल हो, चाहे अमीर हो चाहे गरीब हो, सबका इलाज दिल्ली सरकार वहन करेगी उसका खर्चा। तो जो हमारी टीम्स घर घर जाएंगी वो दोनों योजनाओं का रजिस्ट्रेशन करेंगी, संजीवनी योजना का भी और महिला सम्मान योजना का भी।
Now, the Aam Aadmi Party workers, the leaders, the ministers in the Delhi government will be visiting door to register eligible beneficiaries. But reacting to the announcement, the opposition BJP said that Arvind Kejriwal was selling false dreams as the Aam Aadmi Party made similar promises ahead of the Lok Sabha elections in Delhi and assembly elections in Punjab, but has not delivered on them yet.
केजरीवाल जी से कहना चाहूंगी कि दिल्ली के जनता के साथ ये चुनावी छलावे बंद करिए। पंजाब की बहनें अभी भी तरस रही हैं। पंजाब में भी यही सेम इन्होंने घोषणा करी थी कि महिलाओं के खाते में पैसे जाएंगे। 2021-22 में ये घोषणा करी थी। अभी भी पंजाब की बहनें एक एक पाई के लिए तरस रही हैं। रही बात संजीवनी योजना की, तो मैं इनसे पूछना चाहूंगी, एक दशक से आप यहां पर सत्ता भोग रहे थे, तब आपने बुजुर्गों की जिम्मेदारी क्यों नहीं ली? तब क्या दिल्ली के बुजुर्ग नहीं थे? दिल्ली की जनता को लीडरशिप चाहिए, ये पॉलिटिकल थिएट्रिक्स नहीं चाहिए, खोखले वादे नहीं चाहिए, चुनावी जुमले नहीं चाहिए।
देखिए, 10 साल से लगातार मुनाफे का बजट अगर किसी स्टेट ने पेश किया है तो वो एकमात्र दिल्ली है। 10 साल से अगर लगातार किसी ने 200 यूनिट बिजली मुफ्त दिया है तो वो एकमात्र दिल्ली है। 10 साल से अगर शिक्षा का कायापलट किसी ने किया है तो वो अरविंद केजरीवाल जी की सरकार है। किरण रिजिजू जी को देखना चाहिए कि उनकी की सारी सरकारें घाटे में क्यों हैं, कौन ठग रहा है जनता को। सब सरकारें कहीं 7 लाख करोड़ के लोन में हैं, कहीं 3 लाख करोड़ का लोन। क्यों ऐसा है? ये लोग अपनी जेबें भर रहे हैं। एक नंबर के ठग और झूठे हैं भाजपाई।
Well, as far as the BJP is now concerned, because the battle for Delhi has intensified as the BJP will be releasing the Arop Patra against Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party MLAs today at around 11:30 a.m. And the charge sheets that have now been prepared based on specific surveys and conversations with local residents in each constituency. Let's get in a word from Mohit, who is joining us live right now. Mohit, good morning. The tagline says that Delhi government is bankrupt, Aam Aadmi Party MLAs are wealthy and Kejriwal lives in a palace. What are these charges that has now been prepared by the BJP to counter the Aam Aadmi Party?
Well, Amita, good morning. Now, BJP has been preparing this particular Arop Patra, that is the charge sheet as they call, for quite some time. They have specifically formed a committee of the charge sheet committee that they will be releasing this particular charge sheet today at around 11:30 a.m. The former Union Minister and BJP MP Anurag Thakur, along with the Delhi BJP President Viren Sachdev and other Delhi BJP leaders will be releasing this particular charge sheet. Now, based on the survey, BJP claims that they have found certain pointers, certain aspects that they will be putting forward in front of the people. Basically, BJP says that there is a leadership turmoil in the Aam Aadmi Party after Arvind Kejriwal went to jail. There is no specific criteria that who exactly is leading the Aam Aadmi Party. So, obviously, the BJP also goes on to say that how there has been the neglect of the areas by the current MLAs. People on the ground are not happy with the work of their MLAs. Also, the BJP says that Manish Sisodia is being called as runaway MLA. The Bhagora MLA, as the BJP calls him, given the fact that how he has shifted his seat from Padparganj to Jangpura. Now, all these pointers, BJP says, they will be taking to the people on the ground. The copies of this particular charge sheet or the Arop Patra will be distributed at various booths to every single voter in Delhi. So that is the strategy for the BJP, because remember, Amrita, BJP this time around is specifically focusing on the issue of the alleged corruption by the Arvind Kejriwal government, and how exactly there has been corruption in alleged liquor scam, and how exactly Arvind Kejriwal's house, the BJP claims, is like a sheesh mahal where while the people in Delhi were suffering, Arvind Kejriwal was getting all the facilities into his house. So this is what the BJP has said, and at around 11:30 they will be releasing this particular charge sheet, because remember, this time around the campaign of the BJP will not be Modi versus Kejriwal. It will be about the scams that the BJP believes, the corruption that the BJP believes that the Aam Aadmi Party has indulged in. While on the other side, as you were also speaking on this particular issue, the Aam Aadmi Party is focusing on various freebie schemes. Today, the registration for the Mahila Samman Yojana and the Sanjeevani scheme will start. The Aam Aadmi Party workers, their leaders, the MLAs, the top leadership will be going to the voters on the ground and will be filling up the forms of the women in their house regarding the Mahila Samman Yojana, because BJP, the Aam Aadmi Party believes that this particular issue of the women voters can sway the elections. We have seen that in Haryana, we have seen that recently in Maharashtra, and hence this scheme is being announced by the Aam Aadmi Party. While to counter that, the BJP says that the scheme on similar lines was also announced in the state of Punjab, but till now not a single penny, the BJP says, has been given to the women in Punjab. Also, the BJP says that for the first time in history, the Delhi has gone into fiscal deficit. So all these pointers will also part of the BJP's charge sheet that will be released around 11:30, and it clearly shows that how the battle for Delhi is heating up, where the BJP will be releasing an Arop Patra today. On the other side, Aam Aadmi Party will be going on the ground for registration of forms regarding Mahila Samman Yojana and Sanjeevani scheme.
So early next year is the time when Delhi will be facing elections. However, the BJP seems to counter the Aam Aadmi Party and the back-to-back schemes that they have been launching. As far as the charge sheets by the BJP, that would be distributed to every voter, booth and constituency in Delhi to expose AAP MLAs, their failures and their actions as well.